Every dream hides struggles the world never sees. This video captures the courage to keep going despite doubt and setbacks. It reminds us that resilience is the key to success in UPSC. Meet Rishabh Nautiyal.
A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Rishabh Nautiyal and I have secured All India rank 552 in this year's CSE exam, UPSC CSE exam. This was my 6th attempt at this, and during which time I have given a total of 5 mains and 1 interview. This was also the first year when I secured an interview and managed to make it to the final rank list. I would like to share a bit of my journey. My preparation started in the year 2019, and so did my association with ForumIAS. In 2020 was when I gave the first attempt of civil services, and I was fortunate enough to make it through the prelim stage. God has been very kind, and I have managed to clear the prelim stage in almost every attempt, which has led to me giving 5 mains. However, mains was the stage at which I was getting stuck multiple times from 2020 to 2025, during which time I realized that some of the mistakes that I was making included trying to provide the highest possible quality content while not taking care as much of the quantity and the fact that all the papers need to be finished, all 20 questions need to be finished, due to which reason I believe that I was scoring 5 to 10 marks less in each and every paper, which was leading to a total complete loss of 60 to 70 marks. This was one of the reasons as to why I believe I was not making it to the interview stage. In the 2023 attempt, when I believed that I was quite confident and I was very ready to be able to make it not just to the interview stage but also hopefully get a rank. That year I suffered with food poisoning during my mains exams, and that led to a complete crash, and 2 of my papers went for a toss because of that, and I did not make it to the interview stage all over again. Then another low point during my journey was that in 2024 I was unable to clear the prelims exam, which was the first time I was not able to clear the prelims exam. However, God has been kind, and I am extremely grateful for the support of institutions like ForumIAS and especially Aman sir, who has been my mentor for the last 4 years, since 2021 or 2022. And he has provided extremely high quality guidance to me over the years. A mentor who has been with me all throughout in the last 4 to 5 years and has guided me through thick and thin. So I do want to thank him. I do want to thank Forum IAS, and I would especially like to focus more on the MGP test series, because I have been a part of the MGP program multiple times. I believe that the test series has led to a lot of high quality value addition over the years, and I believe that plays a crucial role in providing quality answers, while also at the same time ensuring that all the points, all the examples, all the different data sets are covered in a comprehensive manner. So this was my journey, and in 2025 I finally cleared the prelims with a good margin of 5 to 10 marks. Followed it up with mains, managed to clear mains. My total main score has increased by 70 marks this year, and I gave the interview. The interview has also gone reasonably well, and this in culmination has led to me getting an All India rank 552. I'm just thankful to Forum IAS and grateful to God for giving me this opportunity of preparing multiple times and having to go through all of this to finally reach my goals. Thank you so much.